Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, I Deepmani Bhardwaj welcomes you all again, and today we will be discussing the difference between SEBI grade A and NABARD grade A. See, many of us are not aware what is the difference between these posts, isn't it? So we'll be discussing each and every difference, no matter it is about the responsibility or it is about the pay scale. So let's start with our topic. See, what is SEBI? SEBI stands for Securities and Exchange Board of India, which recruits for the post of SEBI Grade A officer. So, SEBI Grade A officer is an assistant manager level post at SEBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India. SEBI is India's highest regulatory body of security markets like Sensex, Nifty, etc. Now talking about NABARD, what is NABARD? NABARD is National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development. It is the apex body looking after the development and growth of agriculture in India. Its function is to look after all the agricultural finance related issues with respect to the development of Indian agriculture. So NABARD recruits assistant managers of grade A in the Rural Development Banking Services, that is RDBS. So this was the basic introduction of SEBI and NABARD. Now we'll be discussing each and every difference between them. So let's start with our first difference. Talking about the post offered. See, both of them are offering assistant manager's post, as we were talking about the grade A, isn't it? Talking about the organization for SEBI, it is Securities and Exchange Board of India, whereas for NABARD, the organization is National Bank for Rural and Agricultural Development. For both the examinations, mode would be online, fine, but there is difference between the eligibility criteria. For SEBI, the eligibility criteria is bachelor's degree in engineering or master's degree in any discipline. Talking about the NABARD's eligibility criteria, it's bachelor's degree in any subject from a recognized university with a minimum of 50% marks. So here criteria of marks is there. Fine. And apart from that, here any of the bachelor's degree is can be applied. That is, if you are a student of BA, BSc, that is from any of the bachelor degree you can apply. But here bachelor's degree in engineering or the master degree in any discipline is asked. Next. Now we'll talk about the salary offered. See, for SEBI, the gross monthly salary is of rupees 1,07,000 per month without accommodation. But if they are providing the accommodation, then your salary would be rupees 73,000. Talking about NABARD part, the salary offered is rupees 62,600. Here I have shown how increment is done. Fine. So initial month gross salary would be 62,600. Talking about its probation period, for SEBI the probation period after joining is of 2 years. But the probation of the NABARD here is again 2 years, that is for both probation period is of 2 years each. Fine. Now talking about the job responsibilities of SEBI. So the job responsibility includes approval of stock exchanges by laws, amendment by laws of stock exchanges, inspection of accounts of stock exchanges and various players, identify and investigate any malpractices within the securities markets. They also take steps for increasing investor knowledge on security markets, suspension of security trading of a stock exchange, and granting and withdrawing recognition of a stock exchange. But talking about NABARD, the job responsibilities are to do the clerical work and need to work under manager. Second, to carry out any clerical or managerial task assigned by the CGM. Another is to deal with both state and central level policy issues related to agriculture and rural development. And the last one is to stay connected with the bank industry and state government to promote financial literacy centers, that is FLC, providing knowledge to the customers. Fine. So these were the job responsibilities. Fine. Next, talking about career prospects. See, for SEBI, you will be joining it as an assistant manager. Then The another hierarchy is, or the another senior is manager, whose senior is assistant general manager. Then comes deputy manager, then general manager, then there is chief general manager, and finally there is a executive head. In NABARD, you will be joining as assistant manager. Your senior will be a manager. His senior will be assistant general manager. Then there will be deputy general manager. Then there will be a general manager. Then chief general manager. Then executive director, and finally comes the director. So this is the hierarchy in this way. Fine. So now let's talk about their place of posting. So for the SEBI, its headquarters is in Mumbai, and hence chances of posting of the grade A officers in Mumbai are quite higher. NABARD has its head office in Mumbai and regional offices in all the state capitals. One is expected to be posted in these offices. Fine. Now if I talk about the allowances, so the allowances for SEBI includes the dearness allowance, family allowance, local allowance, leave fare concession, refraction, financial dailies, book grant, briefcase, conventional expenses, house cleaning allowance, medical expenses, staff furnishing scheme, scheme for purchasing computers, education loan, subsidized lunch facility. Talking about NABARD, its allowances are dearness allowance, local compensatory allowance, reimbursement of the expenses for maintenance of vehicle for official purpose, newspaper, internet, telephone charges, book grant, and allowances for furnishing the residence, etc. So if I say in a overall, if you have a look on that, both of the jobs are prestigious. Both of the jobs have their significant role in their individual fields. Both are highly respectable. So it totally depends on an individual that who gives priority to what. Fine. So both are the prestigious jobs. So in case you have any other doubt or you want any other clarification, so comment section is available for you. So please do comment, like this video and share as much as possible. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.